What you are looking at right now on my screen is my affiliate account dashboard, and in the last 60 days, in the last 2 months, this exact account generated $86,014 in profit. Okay, and I didn't spend a single cent on complicated paid ads. I didn't have to source or ship any physical products, and I didn't even have to show my face. The entire system is completely automated through Instagram, and I will show you step by step how you can do it. Okay, I have been doing this business, guys, for over 6 years, and I'm making over $40,000 a month with affiliate marketing using free traffic from different social media platforms. And in just the last month, I have made $45,761, and this is the proof. Okay, you guys can see everything here. This is my payment, this is the invoice, recent payment request details, it's paid, and I already received this payment in my bank account. Anyway, I'm here to show you how you can also do affiliate marketing as a beginner and make your first commissions. Okay, so step number one for people who want to start making money with affiliate marketing using free traffic from Instagram, you guys need to join an affiliate marketing program. The best one, the profitable one that I'm working with is Fiverr Affiliate. So you need to create an affiliate account like this one. So what you will do, super easy and simple. You will go to Google and search for Fiverr. Click on the first link over here like this. Just sign up using your email address. Once you finish your sign up process, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So you just need to come to this page and scroll down like this. Go to company over here, okay? And scroll more and click on affiliate like this, and you will be in this Fiverr affiliate website. You can scroll down to check their commission plan so you guys can understand what I'm talking about. For with this affiliate marketing business, you don't need millions of views to make good commissions, since they are paying high commissions. This is high cheeky affiliate marketing program. So for pro services, they are paying up to 70% of the first order. The best part with this affiliate marketing business, guys, is that they keep paying you 10% of future orders, meaning you keep earning 10% revenue share for each purchase the buyers make in the next 12 months. So for example, if one person buys service from your affiliate link, you will earn 70% of his first order. If the same person will keep buying more services over and over for the next 12 months, you keep earning 10% revenue share. You can turn this into a passive income. The lowest that they are paying is 25%, which is very, very good. Okay, you guys can check the commission plan here so you can understand everything. One, if you want to create your affiliate account, go back to this page and click on join now over here like this, and here you go. You will be in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. And as you guys can see, the sign up process is super easy and simple. You just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, confirm your password, account type, make it private. And here, do you have a main source of traffic? You will click on this one and click on yes. Okay, and you want you to pay close attention here. So what you will do here is you need to put here your Instagram page link. You can put any social media profile page link that you want to use to promote those services. You can also promote those services on Pinterest, on YouTube, on Facebook, and on TikTok, Reddit, Quora. You can double your traffic and double your commissions. I will explain more later. So you can put here your page link. So scroll down, click here on country and choose your country from here. You guys can start this business from anywhere, from like United Kingdom, from Canada, France, Germany, Australia, United States, any country. Okay, click here to choose your language. If you have Telegram, you can put your Telegram account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next, and that's it. Sign up process is super easy and simple. Once you finish, you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. So this will be your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard, and you should see here your commissions, your clicks, your CTR, people who used your affiliate link to sign up to Fiverr, and people who used your affiliate link to buy those services that you will start promoting on Instagram. Okay, it's clear. So what you will do next is you need to create Instagram page. Okay, it's of course it's for free, and you guys just need to use your email address. The sign up process is super easy. You guys already have an Instagram page, so just create an Instagram page, make a good name for your Instagram page. You can use AI tools like ChatGPT to give you a good names. You can use also like Google Gemini to create a logo for your Instagram page. Once you create your Instagram page and it's ready, what you will do next is you will go back to Fiverr, go back to your Fiverr homepage, and you need to choose good services that you will start promoting on Instagram, services related to Instagram, services that will help people to grow their Instagram account, their businesses inside Instagram. So pay close attention. You will click here on the search bar and search for, you can type here Instagram like this. Okay, just type keyword, type Instagram, and Fiverr will suggest the services related to this keyword. Okay, and what you will do for you as a Fiverr affiliate marketer, you need to promote all those services related to Instagram. You can promote Instagram promotion services, Instagram reels services, Instagram organic growth services, video editing for Instagram services, all those services related to Instagram. Okay, so you can make commissions. You need to promote what people will be interested to buy on Instagram, what will help people to grow their businesses inside Instagram. Let's choose the first service, Instagram promotion. I will click on this one like this. Just click on the service that you want to promote, and here you go. So here you will find a lot of sellers who provide this service on Fiverr. So for you, what you need to do is you need to choose good sellers. You need to choose sellers who can provide good service for your customers, so your customers can keep buying this service over and over, so you keep earning 10% revenue share that I explained in the beginning. So pay close attention. Always choose like top rated sellers and pro sellers and level 2 sellers. Choose sellers who has a lot of reviews and good reviews. Okay, and that's it. Because if people click on your affiliate link, they will check the profile of those sellers, they will check the feedback of their customers who already paid for this service. If you are choosing good sellers who can provide good service for your audience, you can make good commissions. Okay, so let's pick one as an example to show you. I will choose pro seller. So for example, like this one is pro seller, you guys can see, and this seller has over 5,000 reviews. This one single seller, over 5,000 people paid for this service, guys. Okay, I will choose this one. I will click on his service like this. Just click on the seller service that you want to promote, and here you go. You guys can see that the seller is even providing 5% discount for the first order, which is really good. So you will be in this seller profile page. Okay, and as you guys can see, I'm sharing with you the numbers. I'm sharing with you what's working right now. Numbers don't lie. You guys can see that this one single seller has 148 orders in queue. Look how many people are paying for this service, guys. So which audience is paying for Instagram promotion? It's this audience that are on Instagram, who want to grow Instagram followers, Instagram engagement, likes, comments, and grow their Instagram page. It's the same audience who is paying for this service, guys, and it's working. Okay, the proof is the numbers. Okay, and you guys can see that over 5,000 people paid for this service using just this one single seller. Okay, and this service is from pro seller, which is you will earn 70% of the first order from people who came from your affiliate links. Okay, people keep coming back, meaning that this service is evergreen service, so people can keep buying this service over and over and over, and you keep earning 10% revenue share for the next 12 months. So you understand the potential of this business. So I hope it's clear, guys. So what you will do, you will just copy the link of this seller, copy the link of this seller, the link of his profile, and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Okay, and click on you over here on dashboard. You have dashboard, marketing tools, report payments. Click on marketing tools and click on default and deep links, and you will be in this page over here. Okay, so what you will do, you will click on deep link and put this seller profile link here and click on save, and here you go. You just created your first affiliate link. This one, guys, Fiverr Pro new plan. If you are promoting pro services, this will be your affiliate link always. This one, Fiverr Pro new plan. If you are promoting level 1, level 2 top rated sellers, this will be your affiliate link. Fiverr marketplace new plan. For me, guys, I do have this option, Fiverr step A old plan, because I do have an old Fiverr affiliate account. Like I said in the beginning, I have been doing this business for over 6 years. That's why I still have this option, but Fiverr's Pro new plan, it's even better. Okay, and if you want to promote logo services, you can copy your affiliate link from here. Okay, logo maker new plan. Okay, so now we created our affiliate link. What we need to do is we need to promote this affiliate link on Instagram. Okay, guys, I shared with you a lot of valuable info here. Okay, and for people who want to take this business seriously and learn from scratch, get direct access to me, I do have an affiliate marketing course where I teach you guys how you can use AI to run your affiliate marketing business, how you can use AI to do keyword research, you can use AI for SEO, how you can use AI to create faceless content, faceless videos, faceless pictures, and how you can use AI to promote your affiliate links on Quora, Reddit, Pinterest, YouTube long videos and YouTube short videos, and TikTok and Pinterest, and also on Facebook Reels. Okay, I explained everything inside the course for people who want to take this business seriously. It's step-by-step recorded videos that you can follow and copy paste. Okay, even you get direct access to me, so I keep following up with you until you understand everything and make sure you are applying the system correctly. Only serious people, and I do work just with limited students per month. If you are interested, feel free to reach out to me in my email address and I'll send you all the details. Okay, anyway, let's complete our video. Like I said, we need to promote this affiliate link on Instagram. So what we will do, we will go to Instagram. You guys need to go to Instagram and create an Instagram page like I explained in the beginning. And what you will do, you will create a faceless Instagram reel video. You can use free AI tools to create a full engaging Instagram video that you will post on your Instagram page. And what you will do next, you will go back to your Fiverr account and you will copy your affiliate link from here. And where you can put this affiliate link, you will go back to Instagram and you will put this affiliate link in your bio. But you need to create a landing page or an affiliate website. You can put all your affiliate services that you are promoting inside your landing page or inside your website, and you can put your website link in your bio or landing page in your bio, and you can start promoting those services on Instagram. You guys know that Instagram Reels videos, they go viral. You don't need followers. You can go right now and post an Instagram Reel video, will get views for sure. Okay, if you create a good and engaging video, the video can go viral, get you a lot of traffic and make you good commissions, because Instagram, they have a lot of traffic. Instagram, guys, they have 6 billion monthly visitors. That's a big numbers, and millions of people every single day, they are scrolling on Instagram. So start also getting traffic from Instagram. You don't need to use paid ads, just create a good and engaging videos that will get views and will make you commissions. That's what you need to focus on. And you can create those videos without showing your face, without using your voice, just by using AI tools. Right now, what's working is AI. Without AI, guys, I can't scale my business, my affiliate marketing business, to over $40,000 a month. Okay, I started using AI to create, and AI is helping me a lot, guys. It creates a lot of content for me in a short time, and I upload this content on all social media platforms, and I double my traffic and double my commissions. And the best platforms that are making me good commissions, guys, to explain this commission that I made, it didn't come from just Instagram, because I'm also using Pinterest and YouTube and other social media platforms. And the best traffic source for me, guys, is YouTube and Pinterest. Okay, those two platforms, because they are search engine platforms. I am focusing on SEO, making good SEO optimized videos and pins that are getting traffic and keep getting traffic for years, because they are search engine platforms. They are not like Instagram or like TikTok or like Facebook. Pinterest and YouTube, they are very good also for affiliate marketing program. And that's it. So for people who are asking, so how much will we earn? Guys, if you remember, for pro services, we can earn 70% of the first order. And this service that we are promoting, guys, it's just the basic package starting from $95. And we have standard package. Some people can pay for this one and some people can pay for premium package. Let's take just the basic package, $95. And if we go, for example, let's go to Google and to ask him what is like 70% of $95. Okay, let me show you guys, they are really paying good commissions. Okay, that's why you don't need millions of views to make good commissions. You guys can see for the first commission you will earn $66, which is very high commission. Okay, just two people, it's over $100. Okay, and that's it. So you don't need to focus on getting a million of views to make good commissions. You just need to target a good audience that will be interested to buy those services from you, and you can earn commission. You can also, guys, go back if you don't know which services to promote. Like I said, just use Fiverr search bar, type here Instagram like this and promote those services. Also, you can go over here to trending, click on trending, and you will see here all trending services that people are paying for right now on Fiverr, and you can also promote those services. Okay, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments, and see you in the next one.